Okay, so welcome back everyone. Welcome to our second session altogether. So everyone, teacher would like to draw your attention back, okay, to move on to the second session altogether. So everyone, did you enjoy playing with your friend? Good. So now let's pay your attention to move on to the lesson for the second session altogether. So everyone, like teacher already tell you, then on the second session we are going to study about Hangout book. Okay, good. And everyone, what did you learn yesterday? Okay, very good. So you learn about the exercise practice, which is about what? This is about shoot. Okay, about something that is relevant to healthy and unhealthy, right? Very good. So everyone, it is about show about what? It is about good habit and bad habit. Okay, very good everyone. So now teacher would like to get your attention to move on to the exercise. Okay, then it is about section B. So you can open the book on page 107. Okay, it is about the last one. Okay, good. So everyone, now let's focus about the instruction altogether. So the instruction, it is about what do you always, often, okay, often, sometimes, and never do. What should you do and what shouldn't you do? Write two things for each. Okay everyone, so what is it about? It is about adverb of frequency, right? Very good. So as you have learned already, like always, it is represent about 100% that you do that activity, right? And often it can be 80%, sometimes 50% or less than 50%, and never 0%, right? You never do, right? Good, everyone. And it focuses about should and shouldn't, right? It's so about the advice. Okay, good, everyone. So now let's practice the exercise altogether. So you have to know exactly about what you always do and what you often do and what you sometimes do and what you never do, right? You know by yourself, so you can complete the exercise very well. And after that, the next step, you have to know what should you do and what you shouldn't do, right? Okay, write two things for it. So you have to write two things. Okay, so everyone, now let's complete the exercise altogether. So move on to the first one. It is about always, right? So always, it is about what? What you always do. Okay? What you always do. So the first one I always do, it is about what? It is about take a shower. Very good. So I always take a shower. Okay? So I always take a shower. This is what I always do. Okay. And one more. It is about what? Okay. So I always brush my teeth. It can be, right? Because I always brush my teeth, right? Good. And we have a lot of activity that you always do, right? Okay, good. So now let's move on to the next one. It is about often. 80%, okay, or less than 80%. Now let's find the example all together. So the first one, it is about it. It can be it candy, right? Good. So it candy. And another one, okay, stay up late. Okay, so this is about two things. Okay, so now let's move on to sometimes. Sometimes, what you sometimes do, right? Okay, so what is that? So the first one, I can say that eat fruit and vegetables. And another one is about what? Yes, get fresh air. Okay. So get fresh air, right? Okay, good. So now let's move on to never. What you never do. Okay. So what I never do, it is about drink soda. Okay. So this is what I never do. Okay. I never drink soda. And another one. Okay. It is about, yes, very good. Eat fast food. Okay, so this is about two things that you have to use adverb of frequency, right? So what you always do, what you often do, what you sometimes do, and what you never do. So the first, take a shower, brush my teeth, eat candy, stay up late, eat fruit and vegetables, get fresh air, drink soda, and eat fast food. Okay, so everyone, now you have to complete the exercise in here. So you have to write two things, okay, to complete each adverb frequency. Okay, always, often, sometimes, and never. Okay, very good. So you can practice all together. Good. So now everyone, let's move on to the next exercise, which is about should and shouldn't. What you should do and what you shouldn't do. It is about refer to advice, right, or suggestion. So now let's find the example altogether. So the first one, okay, we can say that it is about what? So you should, yes, very good. So you should take a shower. You should take a shower. It can be, right? Because it is about the advice. So if you hot, you should take a shower. Alright? Good. And another one, okay, you have to write two things. Another one, it is about you should get fresh air. It can be, right? Because if you are busy on studying, so at least you can spend the time to get fresh air, to go to the field or go to the countryside in order to get the fresh air. Okay, very good. So what you shouldn't do, what's that? So you shouldn't eat candy. Okay, so you shouldn't eat candy, right? If you eat candy a lot, it can make you have a problem with your teeth, right? Good. And another one, you shouldn't drink soda. Okay, very good. So you shouldn't drink soda. So this is what my suggestion or my advice that you shouldn't do, right? Very good, everyone. So now it is about your turn. You have to complete the exercise in here, and after that you have to send to your teacher. Okay, or maybe I design like this to be the homework for you. So you have to write two things. You can find the other example beside this. It's up to you what you can do, right? Very good. So everyone, this is about the end. And do you have any question regarding to the lesson for the second session, everyone? Very good. And if you don't have any questions, so teacher would like to end this video and see you tomorrow. Goodbye.